Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Shady Josh. This is a Honda CBF125F which I've just bought, and I'm here on location where it was found, and it's been smashed up, it's been stolen, recovered and been through some wars, but it's a pretty nice bike actually. You can see the exhaust isn't too scratched up, which is normally where these get hammered. The rear tyre is pretty nice. Overall it's a nice tidy bike. It's in the factory white and it needs a bit of attention here to the front. It's been stolen, recovered, so the front headlight is all missing, the front fairings are missing, so those I can buy brand new. The headlights, I've got one actually. So a few bits of damage around the place are this fairing, so that's not too bad. This one has a little mark on the paintwork there. The tank is really nice condition, so that's very nice to see, very clean. Front mudguard is nice, so no scratches on that. Front tyre is good. The first thing I want to do with this bike is to see if I can repair this lock set. So I've got a set of keys and they open the tank lock as seen. However, this lock is actually busted, so I want to see if I can get into that. I've stripped this front end down so that I can get access to the lock set, which I've removed, and I'm going to repair it. I found this one, which is from another bike, and I fitted it to the yoke and it looks pretty good. So I'm just going to see if I can repair it and make it work. So I've got my soldering iron and I'm just heating up the solder here. Well, this looks good. I've been able to solder the wires onto the bottom of the broken lock and bolting the top yoke back on. I've put the front together, it looks pretty good. These brand new white side panels are good. They are quite expensive, but if you want to fix one of these bikes, they're 130 quid for the pair, brand new. And my headlight's ready to go in. I'm going to turn this guy over, and I've got my headlight here, and I'll just feed it in from the back, push it down. And my front is completely assembled and ready to fit onto the bike. I need to fit these indicators to this bike. I just put the wire through this hole, push the rubbers through, and fit this guy afterwards. I have fitted the indicators and now I can fit this front assembly. So I need to plug in the headlight, test that it works. Well, that was a nice easy rebuild. This CBF is now finished. It turned out really well. The panels look clean. It's overall a tidy, presentable bike. It has got a few issues still around. It's a bit dirty. The mileage is a bit higher, 18,000. So I won't be asking too much for it. If you're interested in buying this, get in touch. It's going to go up on Facebook today. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit subscribe and I'll see you again soon.